What's up, cousin? Hi, how you doing? You know, it's your girl Dami coming through, and today let's do some makeup. I decided to get really creative, and I mean really creative, to turn my eyebrows the same color as what I got in my hair, y'all. It was real fun. I used a lot of different type of makeup, so I used some face oil-based paint makeup. I used some water-based paint makeup, and also I used some great eyeshadow makeup that I got off of this app called Flip. So if you're not connected to me on Flip, please visit my website called Welcome to the Nash House by Dami.com and scroll down, and you would look for what it says, see my desired gift. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you directly to Flip, so you can connect with your cousin over there, because any type of makeup or extra stuff that I get, I link it in each one of my videos, especially if I get it off of Flip. But this look, I call it out of this world. Let me know in the comments what you think of all of these beautiful flowers since the spring is coming. And let me know what you think about this outfit. You know how it go. A little bit of old with some new. Bye, cousin.